I'm going to have my son head down the street and we'll show you the range of this beast. Okay, he's at the 200-foot mark right now. Go ahead and start the generator. Put the generator in economy mode. Go ahead and shut the outlet off. Turn the outlet back on. Put it back into standard mode. Now shut the generator off. Okay, go ahead and get back in your car and head to the 400-foot mark. Okay, this is the 400-foot mark. Still using the small key fob size remote control. Go ahead and start the generator. Go ahead and put the generator in economy mode. Go ahead and shut the light off. Turn the light back on. Put it back in standard run mode. Now shut the generator off. That is at 400 feet. Go ahead and get the long range remote and head to the 1,000-foot mark. Okay, go ahead and turn the long range remote on. Start the generator. Go ahead and put it into economy mode. Shut the outlet off. Turn the outlet back on. Put the generator back in standard run mode. And now go ahead and shut the generator off. Okay, go ahead and get back in your car and go to the 2,000-foot mark. Hang on a minute. Okay. Go ahead and start the generator. Put the generator in economy mode. Shut the outlet off. Turn the outlet back on. Put it back in standard run mode. Go ahead and shut the generator back off again. And now head back this way. Okay, here he comes now. You should be able to see him. You can park right there. And that should just about conclude the demonstration of the range. Like I said, this little remote control we have tested and gotten good reception up to about 400, sometimes 500 feet. This remote control, which is sold as an accessory, it's not included in the kit, but you can purchase this separately from me. And this one we have tested up to about 2,000 feet now and gotten good work out of it. That should just about do it.